Hey,
Hi. Hindi ko igayakan.
ikaw Anay.
No, ikaw Anay.
Sige, iwan na lang kita.
Okay, fine. I'll start. Liam, these past few weeks has been messy. Damon na hinabo. Una ko, okay na ako. Natapos na natong chapter. But you showed up, like you always do. Late, pero may nakaka-istorbe akong kasing-kasing. I was angry at first, not because of what you did, but because of what I realized na bisano ko nga pag-move on. Usa mo lang nga pagkita, nawawara daw yun at akong tanan nga progress. You have that effect, Liam. And honestly, I hate it that you still do.
I know, Andrea. Pero may ako nag-pretend na okay lang ako. Natawa ko din Marky, nagbabasketball, flirting around. Pero tanan nito, pagpapatago ko lang. Pero kada pagkita ko ay mo, sakit lagi ako. Not because I hate you, but because I still remember how good it felt when we were okay.
Then why does it feel like we never get the timing right?
Maybe because nung una, gusto natin na igdaglit tanan. Para kita pakahulat, para kita pamati.
Yes, pero kagod pamati ha ako.
Anwaray mo ako kapag yak na.
Kada pagyayakan mo, gintuturan ta ikaw.
Then pabay ako igyakan ni man, tuura ko na lang. I never stop caring. I just didn't know how to show it without messing it up.
Ethan, he's nice Liam. He's kind and steady. Type of person who stays. Pero, kaya no sugad, di sa nadahiya. Ikaw lagi apit akong gusto na hunaon.
As a street, okay Laya. Yung pipirit ko lang na di ko hiya makita eh.
By flirting, nice strategy.
Yung sasakyan ko lang. Kauna ko kasi kung maiirita ka, mapapansin mo na ako.
You're so immature.
Maybe, pero at least consistent. But really, Drea, I'm sorry for everything. For not choosing you loudly when I should have. For letting you feel alone when you were with me.
And I'm sorry for building walls even though you tried to come back. For pretending I was over you even though I wasn't. I was just scared. Scared kung bumalik ka, mas mo kung lumakat ka na liwat.
I'm not leaving this time. Drea, I still like you. No denials, no excuse. Just true. And if you let me, I want to try again.
Kadamo ni mga words para igiyakan anak mga gusto igiyakan.
Then say it.
Okay, fine. I still like you too. And I never stopped either.
Finally, kahuna ko maabtang pang college na duduha.
Siring po pa, di rin patapos ang era istorya. Love story na may dala seasons, pero same cast.
So, di na nagtatapos.
Bro, bisan kapag ano kakareta mo lay, dire laga pick up daw. But will be someone else beginning someday.
Yeah, maybe this time, I learned to let go without bitterness.
So it's true. They back together.
Yes, and please, ayaw inipagrupa. They deserve peace.
Peace? After hantanan?
Exactly, after hantanan.
Fine, daog na kamo. Pero yak nera Andrea tas Liam, swertera. Deritanan gintatagan hin second chance.
Thank you for giving me another chance. And thank you for still choosing me. Andrea, can we start over again?